Hello, this is David Benaim, and in this video I'm going to talk about count unique in Excel and Google Sheets. Now, apologies, I haven't done any videos for a while. That's partly because there's construction going on in my house, and this is kind of a race for time because they could start drilling at any moment, so let's give it a shot. So what is count unique? Count unique is figuring out how many unique values there are in a column. Like in this column, do I have 4 singers or 2 singers? The normal Excel can only count 4, but you can get a distinct count or count unique very easily in Google Sheets and a bit harder in Excel, but still doable. So let's look at Google Sheets first, because that's kind of easy. So here we have similar scenario, 5 singers, right? I can go equals count unique and then just select these, close my brackets, and I get 5. Super easy, right? Or also, if I create a pivot table, select data pivot table, then I can have values for a singer, and I can choose a count unique there. I can even break it down, so I can have in rows, I can have city, and in Bangkok there were 3, in Krache there were 2. Let's check that. In Bangkok there's 1, 2, that's the same, so just 2 and 3 there. And Krache 1, 2, that's the same, so that doesn't count, so yeah, just 2 there. So do you see that? That's how you do it in Google. In Excel though, you don't have that function. So I don't have count unique or distinct count. But what I can do is this. I can select my data and go insert pivot table, and here's the trick. You need to add this to the data model. Press OK. And then if you drag singer into values and click here, value field settings, that opens up this, and then at the bottom you have distinct count. Note that this doesn't work if you use a regular pivot table. You need to tick that box. So I get 5 singers there. And again, like with Google, I can break it down by city, and I get the same data, 3, 2, 2, 3, like that. It makes it into a range, so it has this thing, because I'm using actually the Power Pivot data model to do this. I'll very quickly show you in the normal way. Insert pivot table, new worksheet. If I don't tick this, then it just gives me this, and singer in values does not have count unique, distinct count. So it needs to be done with add to the data model. The other one that Google does that Excel doesn't, and you can't even do this that way with Google, is median. You can't do a median in Excel in a pivot table, but you can with Google. Of course, if you know Power Pivot, you can do that. And that drilling is my cue to end this video. So I got pretty far with it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.